Hi, my name is Ashley Flynn. I'm a nutritional therapy practitioner and owner of Hometown Health and Wellness in Massachusetts. I love ClinicSense because of the ability to customize everything, from forms to notes to anything really, emails. It's so customizable and you can make it complex or really simple. I also really love their customer support. Anytime I've ever had a question or concern, I've sent them an email, and within less than 24 hours, I get a response. So they're quick, they're efficient, and they're really helpful. Lastly, I love that they're always updating the platform and keeping us informed. So they'll send out emails saying, this is what's coming down the pipeline. Stay tuned, and if you have questions, you can reach out. So they're just really a clean, crisp company, and their communication is fantastic. I highly recommend ClinicSense to anyone.